Good morning, students. Today is your topic rectifier. Rectifier. What is rectifier? A rectifier is AC signal to DC conversions. Input apply the AC signals, you can get output of the DC. There are different types of rectifiers. There are two types of mainly rectifiers: half wave and full wave rectifier. So, firstly, it describes the half wave rectifiers. Half wave rectifier is a half wave rectifier is the one half one half of each AC input cycles is rectified when the PN junction diode is forward bias. It gives the title resistance, and when it is reversing bias, it provides the high resistance. During the one half cycles of the diode is forward bias when the input voltage is applied, and opposite half cycles it reverse bias. It working of half wave rectifiers. Half wave rectifiers is the circuit. One diode is connected in the circuit. One transformer P is primary and S is secondary winding of the transformer, and RL is load. You can say any type of load, whirlpool, speakers, anyone. This is the AC input signals applied to the rectifiers, and you will get the output of these types of wave shape, half of the wave shape, input wave shape. These are the half wave rectifiers. When we apply the AC signals, and we will get the output of the half cycle of DC output voltage. And next is characteristics of the half wave rectifier. There are so many characteristics. First one is ripple factor. Ripple factor is the ratio of RMS value of the AC component of the output voltage to the DC component of the output voltage. It is denoted by gamma, root of V RMS divided by V DC, squares minus 1. These are the ripple factors of the half wave rectifier. And next is DC current. DC current is given as IDC. DC current, I for current and DC current, equal to the I maximum, current maximum, and pi. These are the DC currents of the half wave rectifiers. Next is form factor. Form factor of the half wave rectifier is 1.57. And next is rectifier efficiency. Rectifier efficiency is the half wave rectifier is 40.6%. And next is advantage of the half wave rectifier. First advantage is affordable. Second, simple connections. Third, easy to use connection are simple. Fourth is number of components are used less. Advantage, disadvantage of half wave rectifier. First, ripple production is more. Harmonics are generated. Utilizations of transformer is very low. Efficiency of rectification is low. And there are so many applications of the half wave rectifiers. So first one is power rectifications. Power rectification, half wave rectifier is used along with the transformer for the power rectification as powering equipments. Next application is signal demodulation to signal modulate the signals. Half wave rectifier are used to demodulating the AM signal, amplitude modulation signals. And third application is signal peak detector. Half wave rectifier is used for the detecting the peak of the incoming waveforms. And the next one is full wave rectifiers. Full wave rectifiers, when we apply the input AC signals, and we will get the output of the full wave DC. These are the two diodes are connected in the circuit and the transformer, and this transformer is center tapped to the load of the DC output, and DC output is full wave. These are the comparison. We have comparison between the half wave and full wave rectifiers. So next is same characteristics of full wave rectifiers. Ripple factor is equal to gamma is equal to root of b rms by vdc squares minus 1, and DC current of the full wave rectifiers of D1 and D2 are the same direction when they flow towards load resistor RL. The current produced both of the diodes ratio of I maximum to the pi. Therefore, the DC current is given IDC is equal to twice of I maximum by pi. And form factor is the full wave rectifier 1.11, and previously half wave rectifiers, you can say 1.59 is the form factor, and full wave 1.11 form factors. And next one is rectifier efficiency is full wave rectifier 81.2, and full half wave rectifiers efficiency 40.6%. These are comparison of the half wave and full wave. And next is types of full wave rectifier. There are two main types: two diodes full wave rectifier circuits, second bridge rectifier circuit. And advantage of the full wave rectifier: first advantage is rectifier efficiency of the full wave rectifier is high, the power loss is very low, number of ripples generated are less. Disadvantage of full wave rectifier: very expensive. There are so many applications of the full wave rectifiers. So first one is full wave rectifiers are used for the supplying polarized voltage in welding, and for this the bridge rectifier are used. Full wave rectifiers are the used for detecting amplitude of the modulated radio signals. And thanks to students, today is the topic.